Terima kasih kerana
setiap hari sudah menjadi habit. Hari ni berapa kes? Hari ni berapa kematian? Apa cerita di sebalik nombor berkenaan?
Demam dia on off datang. Sesak nafas. Doktor pun masa tu belum pasti lagi simptom COVID ni bagaimana.
突然间有一个医生就跑进来跟我讲，你的 test 是 positive 的。
The Frontliners, every day they use up 2,000 to 3,000 sacks of PPE. That is just one hospital.
I went to New Zealand alone.
The borders were shut and he couldn't go back. He didn't have funds with him. He had no food.
So I feel very helpless when I was there.
The WhatsApp was going ting, 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 ting every second. It was just beeping.
Online classroom bukanlah option bagi cikgu yang mengajar di kawasan pedalaman.
That Frontliners were texting me saying that every day after work, I cry.
Such a wonderful boy. I do not know why I'm so teary-eyed.
Bagaimana mereka yang selama ini kais pagi makan pagi, kais petang makan petang, macam mana mereka nak hidup?
Ada satu masa, satu hari RM1 pun tak ada.
Kiranya ini adalah sujud saya terakhir. Ampunkanlah dosa-dosa saya. Ambillah saya dengan cara baik.
I was tired of feeling helpless.
And then I said, guys, please let us do the job.
So I'm going to read some Instagram comments.
Ain Syuhada, hi love. Love. I tak tahu nak react apa lah. Dia bagi hi love, I bagi balik lah.
Wow, hairan macam mana anak Nabil semua lawa-lawa, ayah dia orang Nabil je kot. You underestimate me, you. Keturunan I semua memang related dengan selebriti. So this is what you get, man. This is what you get.
You used to be a racer.
Used to.
Power lah Photoshop. Kenapa dia orang cakap ni Photoshop? Saya betul lah dapat nombor 1. Kenapa tak nampak masa nampak dapat nombor 1
Dari Abe Malas. Kenapa Abang Syuk lagi terror bawa basikal dari bawa kereta? Sebab basikal saya gunakan kaki. Kereta gunakan enjin.
Kalau makan rendang banyak, boleh gemuk tau. Tak apalah. Kereta Toyota semua spacious. Kalau biar gemuk macam mana pun, mesti boleh masuk punya lah. Apa bela risau?
Tak nak book Yaris, nak book owner dia. Tak boleh, not available.
The Friday practice sessions is what builds your race.
We really have to, use all of the time that we have in free practice.
We had 2 practice sessions, half an hour each. If you do well in practice sessions, 9 times out of 10 you're going to do well in the race.
It's probably one of the most important days because that is your only session to figure out where the limits of the car is.
Making sure everything is tip-top before the race. The engine, the gears, the whole chassis, if it's balanced out. You want to really test the setup during practice to find which is the right setup for you before the race.
If there's anything wrong with the car, maybe I can tell the mechanics and they could change it before qualifying.
It's not about the timing at the end of the day, it's just getting the feel of the car.
When I came into free practice, it's been like 3 months before I drove a car on the track. So for me, my main goal in free practice was to just get used to everything again.
But most importantly, it was actually to learn the track. In our previous test days, we were using the full Sepang track, but for that race weekend, we were only using the North track.
They need to make sure that they make use of every lap, every corner.
Find your ideal braking points.
Where the overtaking opportunities would be at.
Do some acclimatization laps to really understand the different line that we had to take through one of the corners.
You've committed some serious crimes.
What's happened?
Where's your father?
Saskatoon?
Saskatoon?
Yes, he works at the sawmill.
Quiet!
What happened?
She stole a body from here and burned it on my haystack. I said, quiet, you!
He wanted it. Michael wanted it.
I have horses.
What's the matter with your horses?
Nothing, but they'll starve this.
They won't starve.
They'll be without feed.
What happened to the boy?
She set him on fire.
Oh my Lord! Where is he? Here.
bitches, please. It's worse because they pulled him off. You should have left him.
You evil bitch of a
What about the boy?
I'll marry him tomorrow.
You don't touch him, I'll marry him tomorrow.
You do no such thing.
You can't tell me.
End up losing the whole town. God knows what.
I don't know why he was.
Your father will pay for my lost hair.
I'm sure we'll be able to.
I'm sorry, but if I may say, I think Sissy may have been trying to help you all. What? That boy died of the flu. The body carries germs. Burning it may have been wise, in a way.
You don't
I'm not saying
body like
it's
something
rubbish, really bad. What's wrong with your family?
Nothing.
Sir, be fair. These girls are very kind.
We would have been better off if you never came here.
Oh,
This
you
has
leave him
nothing to do
alone.
with brought this flu. He's not even sick.
What is she talking about? Rose, he didn't do anything.
I'm not blaming the girl stand, although it's certainly doing her no harm with people sick and dying.
You shut your mouth about her.
She's just like her uncle was. No sense of bringing in someone to be in the middle of an epidemic.
She didn't bring me in. She didn't want me here. Well, why the hell did you come?
We wanted a fire.
You had a family take you in, a Malay family that took you in Malaysia.
Yeah.
And could you trust them at that point?
I am Jiaur Rahman. I was born in Myanmar. My family was persecuted by the Myanmar military, so there was no human rights for the refugees. In 2014, I was kidnapped by the human trafficker, and I was sold 7 times from Bangladesh to Thailand, Thailand to Malaysia. There was no food and no waters.
And did they harm you? Did they beat you? Or
Yeah, they tortured me, they abused me also. They also killed 2 of the boat people. They throw away to the sea. I saw a lot of skulls and bones of humans. So I don't know how many people were killed by the trafficker. The human trafficker wanted to kill me. I again escaped. I got one of the Malay family. I told them about my history, what happened in the... So they provided food and water for me and my Rohingya brother.
The most awesome car you can buy today. On the mileage per tank, averagely I can do about 750. I can go Johor and come back and go back Malacca again.
Saya tak perlu risau pun pasal refueling. KL ke Kota Baru, ia baru mengambil 1 bar lah.
之前可能3天4天就打一次了，现在可以1个星期或者多过1个星期。
动力方面它也有，就是在我各测的时候，一打就是需要的。
The hybrid technology inside is just like amazing. You don't feel any gear changes. It's just smooth all the way.
稳定到觉得是跑了120，觉得还在70-80的那种感觉。
我觉得它 suspension 是真的不错，就是它避震了，所以你就不会很明显的 feel 到那个路况了。
A new shopping center that's under construction in Johor Bahru called Toppen, and it's opening at the end of 2019, and that's one of our biggest focus right now.
Our main hope and goal for Toppen is that it will become the meeting place of the south of Malaysia.
We like it a lot where it's attached to IKEA itself, where it's all family oriented.
Family and fun and lots of F&B and a clean, orderly environment. They tick all the boxes for us as a new tenant.
I think they found a very good model. Econo's malls have been quite balanced. Everything that you can get, that you need, is in an Econo mall.
It is about attracting the families, those that would like to have value for money, those that are looking for a good day out. So it's way more than retail, it's a family trip.
We label the malls as the place where people meet.
Our members come every week. So parents need a place to go to before class, after class, or even during classes while they wait for their kids for 1 hour. They want to shop or have coffee with some of the other friends.
Our goal is that we create an environment, a location where people want to revisit and revisit and revisit.
Today it's so easy to buy clothes. In fact, 150 billion garments are made every year. But most of them end up in landfills as consumers buy more, wear them less, and then dispose of them quicker. We are polluting our earth at an unprecedented rate. Introducing REKA, the world's first fashion app with trademark body measuring AI. connecting you directly to fashion designers from all around the world. REKA features global independent fashion designers and connects them with consumers worldwide, reducing waste and advocating good labor practices. A designer can post their latest design on REKA, either from their boutique or fresh off the runway. A customer in any part of the world can select to purchase. Using patented AI technology, REKA then takes accurate body measurements from the comforts of the customer's home. No mass production, only designs made to measure. Zero wastage.
Nothing can prepare us for the current extent that we are facing now. Starting early this year, we've been seeing really sick people. And we are not talking about elderly people, we are talking about people who are young, people who don't have any medical illness, getting severe COVID, Cat 4 and Cat 5.
We are losing lives, we are losing people's mothers, fathers, children. And to know that this has come, to our country.
I'm just thinking of when is this going to end?
So I had to come on behalf of my colleagues because it's just heartbreaking.